Hi there, my name is Dan Varno, a member of our web strategy team here at WebFX. Let's see what we got here next. How much does SEO cost? This is another one that we get questions about all the time. It's really interesting that there are agencies who might charge just maybe a couple $100s a month and maybe agencies who are charging tens of thousands of dollars a month. In a lot of cases, it really has to do with the quality of the work as well as the level of aggressiveness. So at WebFX, we try to put together everything on a custom basis. We don't want to have just like a total stock position for bronze, silver, gold, or anything like that. Ultimately, our goal is to analyze the business, what you're trying to achieve, and then put together a plan that we think will be impactful. So it can vary quite a bit for a lot of our small businesses might be around maybe $1,000, $1,500 a month. In a lot of cases, it can be a lot more than that, depending on how aggressive we actually need to be. So no perfect answer on that. It all really has to do with what we're really trying to achieve and how hard we think we need to work at it.